Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be installing some luxury floor mats. They're all-weather floor mats with a luxury topper on them for a 2022 and up Jeep Grand Cherokee by 3W. Let's get them installed and check them out. A huge thank you to 3W for providing the product for this video. We've got a 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit and we want to make sure the interior remains as clean as possible. And these floor mats by 3W should be perfect. Let's get them open and check them out. This is a comprehensive 6-piece set with front, rear and cargo area mat, and they also sent along some air fresheners as well. These mats are made from a TPE material, which means they're going to remain flexible even in high temperatures. They have massive tread blocks throughout, which helps dissipate water and mud, keeps it off of the carpets. They took laser scans of the vehicle, so they offer full coverage throughout, which I'll show later in the video. This is what sets them apart, this luxury carpeted layer that clips in over the top. And as you can see, it's the same on the driver's side as well, and even the dead pedal is covered. And this shows how easily and securely they clip in place. With this water test, you can see how the water gets trapped in the grooves and gets pulled away from the area. And cleanup is really simple. Just place a cloth in there if you need to and soak up that water. It gets pulled away really easy. And here's a close-up of the blocks and the channels that divert the water away. And it's the same for the cargo mat. You've got the blocks and the channels to draw the water away. You've even got a place to store your umbrella when it's wet. And then there's a nice 3W engraved plaque as well. Our Jeep came with some quite nice mats from the factory, but they're not weatherproof. They're not going to stop any water or dirt or debris or anything from penetrating the carpet. And even in the cargo area, we've got a nice carpeted mat. You can flip it over and it's rubberized on the bottom, but those grooves aren't going to channel any water away. And the same on the front and rear passenger side. These mats gotta go. Installation is really easy. First step, you've got to remove your original mats. You have to remove them because you want to remain as safe as possible. Install your 3W mats. They just slip in and then clip in place. They fit perfectly. The dead pedal is covered. They give you full coverage all the way around with a 1-inch lip to keep water and dirt in there. And then over the top you can insert the luxury carpet pads by just clipping them in place. These really do have a nice, plush, premium feel to them. Then again, in the back, remove both mats, driver and passenger side. And slide the single piece mat in place. Press down on the tabs to clip it in place. This offers full coverage under both the driver and the passenger seat and over that transmission tunnel as well. Same process for the passenger side. Remove your original mat, slide in the new 3W mat and clip it in place. You can obviously run these with or without the carpeted mats. I really do like the carpeted mats, so I'm placing it here on top and clipping it in. And finally, in the cargo area, remove your original mat and slide the 3W mat in place. It just drops in place and fits perfectly. So here we go. I'm going to go around the whole vehicle now. You can see just how well they fit throughout. Here in the back, full coverage underneath the driver's seat and over that transmission tunnel. And in the cargo area again, you've got no worries about getting dirt ingrained in your carpet. You've got full protection back here as well. And moving to the passenger side, again in the rear, full coverage all the way underneath the passenger seat. And finally, in the passenger footwell, these mats go all the way up underneath the dash. Full coverage in the front as well. As you can see, these are very easy to install. They are just floor mats. You just take out your original ones. You have to take your original ones out. You put these new ones in, and they're going to protect the whole interior of your Jeep. Now these ones are a little bit different to previous ones I've checked out. They have a luxury topper on top, so a really thick plush carpet that's removable if you're in inclement weather. But if you want to have that nice luxury carpet feel, you can just clip it back in place, and it gives a great feel to the inside of the Jeep. They're really, really good quality. That carpet is nice and thick. You can see that it's got a nice deep pile to it. And then the weatherproof mats. They are really, really effective. They're going to keep mud, dirt, debris out of the inside of your Jeep. I really like this set of floor mats. They're really nice quality. 3W's done a fantastic job with these. If you like this product, there's a link in the description below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.